Good afternoon, traders. This is Tony D from the Easymarkets dealing room. A little update for today. We have had a bit of continuation here of the US dollar strength. The euro broke the key level last night. You're looking at breaking that 117.40 level, holding above it, looking quite strong here now on the daily. Got a little bit of room to move as well if traders want to keep on focusing on this ECB normalization and ECB ending of QE story, which has taken hold and is helping drive this euro, not just against the US dollar, against the yen, against the Swiss. You're seeing a nice little bounce there for the euro outperformance. It is dragging the pound and the Aussie dollar higher, but the Aussie dollar's got some good data anyway as well, and copper is surging, so there is reasons to be long Aussie on its own as well. But with the US dollar being weak, and you can check the dollar index is failing on the weekly, on the daily, and on the 4-hour, all looking pretty weak now. There's a bit of room here, and the door is open for US dollar weakness to continue. Now, with risk being so well and truly on still, so let's look at the US stock market, broken back above 25,000 now. Then you want to be taking your cues on dollar yen, mainly on the risk on side. So it is still sitting at that 110 level. It's not the best way to express US dollar weakness. And if anything, it does open up the opportunity for euro yen and pound yen to start rallies. And when those are rallying, pound yen and euro yen in particular, the majors can do quite well. So keeping an eye on the euro yen, keeping an eye on the pound yen is an important part of these recoveries that we're seeing at the moment. And it sort of fits together with some of that US dollar strength recently was safe haven bid. As that's taken out, you do see the market start to move up. In regards to what's coming up today, a little less on the data front today than yesterday, but you do have the market focusing a little bit more now on upcoming G7 meetings, which are starting tomorrow and running on Saturday. And what is going to be happening there is that you're going to see Trump and the leaders of the other G7 current countries sort of debate the new Trump policies. And there is some talk that Trump won't sign off on the G7 declaration that comes at the end of the meeting, and there could be some friction there. So it's a pretty interesting weekend, and if the market's super risk on going into the close, you have to be careful that if you are long as well, suggesting taking profits before this meeting, because if things fall apart, you do have the potential for Monday to be a bit of a risk off mode, and we'll see exactly how it comes across. Things could be all okay, but the market's already starting to price things being all okay, so the risks are getting much more one-sided, and that is to the downside rather than the top side, if it continues to rally on Friday, today and on Friday as well. So we'll have a little bit more of a preview on that tomorrow, but in the meantime, risk is on. Pound and euro and Aussie dollar are continuing to do quite well, and the dollar index still hasn't found support just as yet. Alright traders, if you want to have a chat about some of the crosses which are also in play, give us a call on the number below. If you're not a member of the Easymarkets dealing room, sign up with the link below, and you'll be able to get a dealer like myself to assist you.